Hi, my name is Kimberly. I'm from Apex, North Carolina. I'm a physician assistant by profession, and I decided to transition into the clinical research field. I came upon Clinical Fastrack in 2018, and it took me some time because I really wanted to research and see other programs to see if it would give me the foundation that I needed. And after looking and researching, I absolutely am positively sure I made the right decision to go with Clinical Fastrack because it has given me the clinical foundation that I need to pursue my career in the clinical research field. I would highly, highly recommend anyone that is thinking about getting into clinical research, no matter what type of position you're looking for, to get the foundation that you need to go into this field to consider a clinical research fast track. The instructors were awesome. The activities that they provide for you, the encouragement that they provide to you is awesome. So if you're thinking about getting into clinical research, this is the right way to go.